Pass to Kaligasan. Pass to Amador. Amador to Kaligasan. 15 to shoot. Kaligasan. Yes. Good count by Kaligasan. And Daya. Shot clock. 15 seconds. Number 1. Official score 7-5. Big roll in the move. Kaligasan. Yes. 2 points. 4-7. Alvar. Tumutulaso. Tumutulaso fires. Steros to Amador. Amador. Yes. 2 points by Maki Amador. Kalay fires. Buwan pa rin. Iba pa Amador. Offensive power. Mexico. Number 15. First personal foul. Official score on 11. Steal by Cisneros. Number 29. Yes, 2 points by Maki Amador. Four minutes and 30 seconds. Yes, 2 points by Brown. Harden. Harden to Cisneros. 15 to shoot. Cisneros. Wala rin ang number 0. Yes, Kaligasan for the 2 points. Reyes. Gusto pa ng defense ni Maki. Seconds to shoot. Behind the back to Amador. 1 goal. Number 24 the board. Pass to Lasso in transition. Lasso, hand out. The corner stays there. He goes. Reyes dribbling the leather. Constant pressure for Palau. Reyes, number 29, using the glass is good. He can get a 4-point lead. Finds Bartolaso. Shot clock 15 seconds. Garay fakes. Garay fires. In and out. Going over the board. Gets a foul. So we get to number 15. To Zaragoza. 5 to shoot. Stolen by Tupu. Number 20 in transition to Barreto. Barreto bringing out 1 goal. There's a foul. 15 to shoot. Diaz. Here's what he's not good. Bartolaso for the board. 45 seconds. Bartolaso in transition. Down the middle. Bartolaso gets the basket. Mike is having foul. To be the right number 11. Harden. Using the pick of Amador. 10 seconds. 2. Joe Amador. Basket is good. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Amador. Cisneros to Kaligasan. To Dause. 15 to shoot. Dause. Kick out to Diaz. Shot clock 10 seconds. The overs play at Kaligasan. Take it away. Turnaround is good. Cage play more, giving them back the lead. 26-25. Andaya. Setting play. Finds Bartolaso. Shot clock 15 seconds. Andaya. Using the pick of number 11. 10 to shoot. Almodovar. Thought about it. To Bartolaso. Shot clock 5 seconds. Andaya broke the parking lot. No good. Number 0 for the Lord. Cisneros chest pass to Diaz. Fakes Diaz. Quick shot. No good. Palau for the rebound. Almodovar to number 20. Up and away. Number 20. One goal. Cisneros to number 30. No good. Cisneros recovers. 2 more. Number 22, Andaya, and there's a foul. Foul number. Andaya setting lane. 12 on the bar. Shot clock 15 seconds. Cross score 2. Orlando Barral from the parking lot. Too strong. Number 0 for the rebound. To Manila. Diaz rather. To Delve. Finding his teammate. 15 to shoot. Diaz. Jumper skill for Diaz. 30-27. Andaya. Uses the handle. Recovered by himself. Andaya short. Amador for the rebound. Amador in transition. Down the middle. Kick out. This is Neros is good. Arak sa lima ang abate ng Verdugo, 32-27. 7 minutes and 25. Junjun. Arak sa... And Jaya. Finding his teammates. 10 to shoot. DJ to number 9. No good. 5 to shoot. Still one to pa rin. Rebound, Kalingasan. 2, Baki Amador. Kick out to Cisneros. Turn around and bounce pass. Random pass. Converted to 2 points. Jaya to 2. Dog handling the letter. Pass to number 12. Back to Karait. Long 3 by Karait. 1, 2, 3. 6 minutes and 25. Number 12. Junjun Almodovar. Perimeter shot is good for Junjun Almodovar. Number 12. Paulo Andaya to PJ Bertolaso. 15 to shoot. Andaya back to Bertolaso. Dog. 10 to shoot. Number 71, the Dog, stolen by Amador. Number 25, in transition. Number 25 is good. Ang ulit sa apat. Andaya to Almodovar. Shot clock 15 seconds. Number 12. Almost loses the handle. Almodovar. Over 3. 15 to shoot. To Andaya. Andaya down the middle. Kick out the ball to Lasso for the middle jumper. Wala. Number 25. Chest pass to Cisneros. Give and go. Go. Pass to Bertolaso. 4 minutes. Andaya. 15 shoot. Bertolaso bars. 3. Amador. Gusto mo ba kay Amador? That's 2 points by Amador. What a move by Amador using his force. Kalabaulan ang tumatanda. Pinakuli sa nila foul basket. Foul number. Shot clock 17 seconds. Karait, box, Karait loses the ball. What the defense score? Sobrang Andaya, no good. Ipinipas ka doon, Puerto Rico. 15 to shoot. Jerome, hesitation 3. No good. Rebound by Joe Amador. Saves for your own person, Bertolaso. In transition, for the pass to Andaya. Too strong. Higher back. Too strong again. 2 opportunities missed by the Blue. Number 0, Kalingasan. 2 points. Rewarded by the turnover of the Blue. A minute and 30. Overhead to Almodovar. Shot clock 15 seconds. From the parking lot. Points by Bertolaso. Balik sa dalawa ang lamang ng Itubu. A minute and 15. Number 35. Bounce pass to number 15. Listo. Bertolaso smartly using the clock. 15 to shoot. Bartolaso pulls the pressure. To the bar. 30 seconds. Number 29, bounce pass to Kalingasan. 24 seconds. Kalingasan steps back. Bars. The cover is no good. Bartolaso for the board. Shot lights up. 17 seconds. 15. Bartolaso. Relentless pressure for Reyes. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds. 7. Ronnie Seagate, third personal foul. Warning. Ito po for improper bench decorum. Warning ng bench na ito po for improper bench decorum. One shot for Junjun Almodovar. It's good. 3.5 seconds. 3 seconds. Third quarter. Andaya. Cross court to Almodovar. Stolen by Reyes. Number 11, 2 points by Diaz. Rewarded by the turnover. Andaya to Almodovar. Shot clock, 15 seconds. Another pass, back pass, another turnover, back-to-back turnover. Back-to-back points by Diaz. Baba sa tatlo, ang lamang ng Ejumbu. Bartolaso wants the pressure for B-Boy Diaz. Shot clock, 10 seconds, Almodovar sa perimeter, no good. Rebound by Barreto, not this time again. Almodovar for the rebound. Makiwato to number 29, to Kalingasan, still won't go. Third again, Almodovar for the board. Recovers by himself. Coastal pressure for Chester Kalingasan. Back pass. Number 23, no hesitation. No good. Bartolaso for the rebound. Bartolaso, isusukat ng depensa. From the foul line, what the block pass. For Orlando Barao for the 2 points. Pagkala, shot clock 15 seconds. Using the beam of Orlando Barao. Pass number 11, 10 to shoot. Number 11. Difficult shot, 2 points. Baseball pass to Reyes. Another 2 points, welcome to the ball. Junjun. Please do the better. Junjun. Blocked by Kalingasan. Number 29. In transition. Delivered. 2 points. Baba sa isa ang ninahabol. 61 to 60. Bartolaso bars. No. Parang one the rebound. Lakas Sebo. 5 minutes and 56. Junjun backdoor 2. Parang huli. B-Boy Diaz in transition. Extra pass to Jerome Caray. There's no basket. Break a second foul. Bartolaso in transition. Bartolaso splits the 3 defenders. No. I want to for the rebound. Jerome Caray. Open 3. Short. Reyes. Diyan naman. Sa susubok ni Reyes. Still won't go. Rebound by Dogdog. Dogdog. There's the 2 points by Dogdog Caray. Another deadlock. Ang 10 deadlock. All 63. Shot clock 15 seconds to B-Boy. B-Boy splits Junjun. B-Boy strikes that is no good. Rebound by himself. 10 to shoot. B-Boy, try about it. B-Boy, oh! There's a brother towards the map. Lang tayo sa all 63. And Daya, 2. Back to Lasso, back to Daya. 15 to shoot. And Daya from the foul line is good. Nothing but net for foul. Bounce pass to Mage Matong. No hesitation, 3. Too strong. Back to Lasso. 3-game situation. Back to Lasso. Layup is good. Back to Lasso. Giving them back a 4-point lead. 4 minutes. Hardens using the wing. 15 shoot. Isolation play for Jerome Karai. Shot clock 10 seconds. Cisneros sa gilid. 69 to 68, 1-1 lead for Eto'o. 3 minutes. 15 to shoot, and Daya loses the ball. Crisostro to Jerome. Jerome blocked by his brother. Save ball tayo. 19. 2 minutes and 46. Cisneros takes back. No. Thought about it. Kalingasa, 15 to shoot. Kalingasa using the pass. No. Rebound by Mage Matong. Eto'o basketball. Junjun, 15 to shoot. Junjun finds Zendaya. 10 to shoot. Zendaya. Got the pass. We want the dive for Barrego. Assist ka na, Zendaya. Number 23. Hindi bumubukas si number 23. 71 to 70. 1 point lead for the pool. 50 seconds. Daya, Big Boy kick out, 15 shoot, back to Lasso, BJ, there's someone foul, number 0, Chester, Kalingasan, 4th personal foul, warning for the drag late, Chester, Kalingasan, 40 seconds, chest pass, gusto maglaro ng play, uses the ball, save ball. Last touch by BJ. 37 seconds. Cisneros. No hesitation three. No. Rebound by Parao. 30 seconds. BJ Bartolaso. Splits. Jerome. BJ. Pinoy step by BJ. It's good. Shalaso. 22 seconds. 20 seconds. B-Boy. Foul by. Ice off 16.6 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. One pass. Pero may foul. Sa baba pa lang. 10 to shoot, 2. Parao. 5 to shoot, Junjun, first, no good. Rebound by Mage Matong. Mage Matong wasting no time, bounce pass, libre, loses the ball. Kick out of Kevin Cisneros is good. What a sequence for Verdugo. 2-point lead na lang for Eto'o. BJ. Junjun from the parking lot, short, rebound, Amador in transition again, down the middle, another extra pass, no, not this time. BJ, so with a tackle, I'm coming away, no. Last touch play. Jones Harden to Kevin Cisneros, shot clock 12 seconds. Short jumper for Chester, Kalingasan is good. Another deadlock. 12 deadlock of the game. All 74. Dog Dog. BJ back to Dog Dog. 15 to shoot. BJ. Long 2. No. Another foul. Joey. Down the middle, Joey, blocked by Parao. 2, 3 more, Diaz, good. Change paper again. 76-74, 8 minutes. Number 12, Endaya. Endaya loses the handle. Amador for the layup, is good. Golazo, 15 to shoot. Back to Golazo, Luis takes a 3. Not this time. Maki Amador for the rebound. In transition. Amador, to the left side, out of my house, 70 Parao. Barreto, to Endaya. Extra pass to Junjun, go. Barreto again, for the Parao. Papasa dalawa. Number 29, Reyes. 15 to shoot. Reyes. Fires the 3. One goal. BJ advance the ball out. Six minutes and 50. 15 to shoot. Number 0, Kalingasa loses the ball. Junjun for the rebound. Endaya to Junjun. Junjun penetrates, sneak out to Golazo, low. Diaz, in transition, Diaz. Box, Diaz. 2 minutes is good for Diaz. Balik sa apat. 80-76. Golazo, back to Endaya. 15 to shoot. Pass is too strong. Amador, overhead to Kalingasan. To Amador, 15 to shoot. Amador, using Costa's hand. 15 to shoot. Number 0, no. Rebound by Paulo. To BJ. BJ for Golazo, 2 points. Shot clock 17 seconds. Amador. No. Another rebound from Amador, 2 points. (84-80), 4-point lead. Almodovar to Barreto. To Dogdo, no hesitation. 3! Pamatay sunod na 3 for Garay. 1 point din nila. Amador down the middle. Foul. Basket. There's a continuation as per referee. Basket. Foul number 31. BJ Golazo. Corner shot is good for Maki Amador. (87-83), 4-point lead. 4 minutes and 45. Garay to Barar. 15 to shoot. Number 31. Kick out. Barreto, no. Rebound by Verdugo. Maki Amador to number 21. Cisneros, stop and pass. Perimeter. Good. Keep on. By Cisneros. Balik sa 6 ang hinahabol. 4 minutes at 15. Ato ba? To Golazo. Golazo. May foul. clock, 16 seconds. Number 1, 5, 3. Balik sa tatlo. Baba sa tatlo. 89 to 86. Apa to? Listo sa kita. Ano? Just na na. May contact na kain. Atong network, Bob Colazo. 2, Baraw. Black Manchester. Bob Colazo. Umere. Bob Colazo. Time out. Verdugo. 3 minutes and 35. Diaz, Vinicio, bounce pass. Dile. Go. VJ 2. Back to VJ. 5, 13. Jun. Drop pass to VJ. 90, 89. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Ano? Cisneros, continue to shoot. Cisneros, not good. Go, where the rebound? 3 minutes. Continue to shoot. Go, to Jun. 10 to shoot. Chest pass sa gilid. Baba, roll the Manila. No. Rebound to Joy. To Dongo, perimeter, still 1 go. Baba, one rebound. Extra pass to DJ. 2 goals for DJ. Abangin ang tatlo. Happy to move. Diaz. Kalingasa, continue to shoot. Kalingasa, jumper shot. Number 21.
Mga bata, nasa-text kayong mami dyan. Huwag kayong pumesto dyan. Morgan, ano kayo line? Morgan. 9 seconds to shoot. Right. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Seconds shot clock. 30 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul on the 25. Got right. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 25.1 seconds remaining. 14 shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Warning for penalty. Foul number 35. Third personal foul. 21.2 seconds remaining. By Palazzo. 10 seconds to shoot. By 14, 7 shot up with 0.6 difference. Harden. Foul. Foul is number 11. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. 12.7 seconds. 12.7 seconds. Who's foul ref? Number 11. Third personal foul. Number 11, third personal foul. 12.7 seconds. Just shot foul himself.